Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm maybe over my head here. Somebody wants to fade this flag. First of all, I want to make some copies of it and so I won't mess it up. And if you use the transparency tool, you can really only do it one direction, and even if this is even, and there's a way to maybe do that, but and then I've even tried thinking about going to effects and create and do a vignette and make it like that. And that might be the best scenario, but it's going to do well, if you did a vignette, it's under creativity or create vignette, and you can change, let's move this out of the way. You can change different things, the fade. That might be the way to go. Then you can change your offset and make it kind of blend in. He's going to print these on some sort of ribbon or something. So that might be an option. The other option, let me back up here, that I was kind of thinking about is before you do anything, he's got this white box on some of them. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to get rid of some of these. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a duplicate of this. I'm just going to hit the plus key. And on this one, I am going to intersect. And that gave us a center. And on this one, I'm going to go either back minus front or front minus back. And it gave us that. So let's move that down. And then if you use the, probably the transparency tool and make it transparent, but I need to zoom in here so I can see what I'm doing. Put it where that, and I don't know if this is the look he's looking at. And then you could change your transparent. And let's say that's good. And then just bring your other one into the picture. Now, but you've got a square, I don't know, that might look pretty cool. We could try one more thing. We could go to object and convert it to a bitmap and see what happens. That kind of got rid of the outlines. And I'm hoping I'm helping with something. That's about the only thing I can think of, because if you use the, interactive fill tool, you can only go one direction. That would look pretty cool. And you could even, let's try this here. Now that I've turned it into a bitmap, I gotta get it back. Let's try moving that down. Whoop. I must have it grouped together. As you can see, I'm kind of lost here. Let me back up here until we know we got them separated. And you could actually take this one, let's move this one down. And you could actually take this one and go to effects and go all kinds of blurs, and make it a little fuzzy. And then if you see the white line around it, or you can see it, it's really not there. It's just kind of like highlighted. I think that'll help if we take turn it into a bitmap. No, but that's a pretty cool effect. Anyway, I hope he'll let me know if any of those suggestions helped him. I'm thinking maybe the vignette might be the best one. Let's just try it one more time. That's one of the originals. Go up to Effects, Creative, or Create and Vignette, and make sure you pick a rectangle. And then that's probably going to be your best bet, because you just change some of this stuff and, make it whatever offset and blend you want. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.